Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my March Beauteque Beauty Box in March. What? I'm excited. I love Beauteque, and it's really heavy this month. Sweet as honey. Yum. Hello Beautiful. Honey is a popular K-beauty skincare staple. It is known for its hydration and healing properties. Treat yourself all month long with this natural ingredient and keep your skin sweet and supple. There's all the information. Sweet as honey. I love... Ooh. An eye massager. Wow. Cool. Pardon me, all of a sudden I got the hiccups. Honey and Gold Wrinkle Lifting Essence. Cool. I love Farm Stay. It's a really pretty container. Isn't that neat? May Island. I cannot read what this says. Ooh. May Island Egg Mayonnaise Honey Hair Treatment Pack. I love the last one I got of this. It was not this one, but it was the last Korean hair mask I got. Or one of them was the Woko's banana mayo pack, and it was amazing. So I'm hopeful for this one. Ooh, Samuel Honey Lip Treatment. Oh my god, everything's so cute. Honey Hand Cream. Propolis Repair Mask. It's a two-step peeling pad and repair mask. So let's look a little bit closer because this is a really good looking box. May Island Egg Mayonnaise Honey Hair Treatment. Restore hair that's been damaged with this honey scented mask. So let me smell it. It's sealed, but I can definitely smell like actual, not like sickly sweet, but like literally it smells like honey or even beeswax. A really nice subtle clean smell. Samuel Honey Lip Treatment. Treat yourself and your lips with the Sam's Lip Treatment. It contains honey extract, which helps lock in moisture all day long and heals dry, chapped lips. Also has SPF 10. Oh my god, a little goes a long way. Oop. Oh, it's like a balm. Mmm. 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 I feel like I should be licking my lips. It smells just like there's honey on my lips, but the consistency is really nice and smooth. Really moisturizing. Okay, Honey and Gold Wrinkle Lifting Essence. It's so rare to get an essence. Lift your under eye bags. Ooh, wow. Look at this. It's a thick essence. Wow. Sealed up. Cool. And it's all glass. God bless you. You guys are brave. I'm always surprised when glass makes it to me intact. Okay, so Honey and Gold Wrinkle Lifting Essence. Cleanse your face, apply toner, then apply a pea-sized amount to your skin and massage until fully absorbed. The Lamelia Ball Beauty Eye Massager. Effectively promote healthy blood circulation to help reduce the puffiness under your eyes. The Skylake Honey Hand Cream. Deeply moisturize your skin with this light scented honey lotion. And this is a two-step propolis repair mask. Amazing box. This is Lord have mercy. This is Beauty Box. They have two different levels. I get the Beauty Box, which is about $24 plus I think shipping. So I think I spend $27.90 to get it to my door every month, which is for all of this pretty good. It also has a Mask Maven, which I want to say is like $10 or $15, which comes with just all masks. So they're a really good company. I've never had a box that I didn't like by them, and I've been with them, I think this is my 12th box. I got the first box was April last year. So this is a whole year with them, and I love them. They're reasonably priced. They have a nice variety of K-beauty items, everything from hair, makeup, skincare of course, and body care. So a large variety, cute themes every month. They're a great company. I can't recommend them enough. So I'm going to put their information in the description. Oh, by the way, I buy all these boxes. I don't get any for free. So I know it sounds like I'm promoting them. I just really like them. I guess I'm their fangirl. Whatever. Anyway, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful weekend in this beautiful spring. I'll see you soon. Bye.